Haven't you ever wondered why there's some of the weirdest and most random videos trending on YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 of the most important tricks you need to know to get your content trending. First of all, the YouTube algorithm doesn't give a frick about how big your channel is. All YouTube cares about is content which keeps their users on the platform. You only need to focus on certain things like watch time, ratings and comments, since a lot of traffic around your videos does show YouTube that your video is interesting and people are actually watching your content. This is really important since YouTube wants people to stay and watch their ads, and that's pretty much how they make money. And now I'm going to ask you, have you ever realized that the most trending videos from smaller channels are super short? People tend to skip through a longer video and to watch a shorter one completely, since it's about one major topic you're interested in. Shorter videos get watched more often until the end, therefore this results in more watch time than a boring 10-minute video. I mean, you've come this far into my video, so you're clearly interested into the content, aren't you? Let's take a look at this example. Here's a video about the "That's a lot of damage" guy, which went super viral. Phil Shift created a massive meme with this advertisement for Flex Seal. This video has been watched almost 10 million times, but the channel just has around 10k subs. Even though this video is only 33 seconds long, it got people interested and they probably even just searched for "That's a lot of damage" meme and got exactly what they wanted. The video worked out as it should. People quoted references or funny things which were related to the video and therefore triggered the algorithm even more. So guys, you need to provide your audience some special value from watching your videos. Try to find the answer for popular topics. You need people to talk about your content. Basically go on Google Trends, search for some of the most viral topics and try to make a precise, crisp and valuable video around a certain topic and hope you get enough people interested in it. Larger channels don't need to go through such struggle since they already built an audience which is generating traffic for their content. And don't be worried, your subscribers amount won't prevent your videos from going viral. Everyone can do it. So guys, this is it for this video. I hope everyone learned something about the YouTube algorithm. If there's enough interest, I will keep continuing this series and help you guys to go viral and grow your channel. And just let me know what you're interested in specifically. And until next time, have a wonderful day, stay safe, and yeah, I'm out basically. Peace.